Let's dive in. Section 1. Couplings and connectors, the straight run. Time to first up the equal coupling. This is your bread and butter straight coupler. It connects the two identical lengths of HDPE pipe in a straight line. 2. Next, the reducing coupling. When you need to step down your line size, this connects the two pipes of different millimeter diameters. This handpiece is a slip coupling or a repair coupler. It has no center stop, meaning you can slide it completely onto a pipe to easily patch up a burst or damaged segment. 4. If you need to switch to metal or threaded plastics, a male threaded adapter. And of course 5 is counterpart, the female threaded adapter, which gives you female threads on one end. 6. For heavy duty setups, we have the flange adapter. This clamps to your HDPE pipe and gives you a flat flange to board to iron or your water pumps. 7. The tank connector. This one features very long external threads and a heavy locking nuts. This is exactly what you need to tie your HDPE pipe directly to a tank hole. 8. Here is a compression unit. It is a multi-peak seasonal maintenance tool. This is a modular expansion joint. The multi-material transition coupling. This is a lifesaver when you need to connect HDPE pipe directly to a different material, PVC or copper. Section 2. Elbows making the tents. Moving on to direction changes. This is a 90-degree equal elbow. It takes your pipeline and redirects it to a sharp angle. 12. 90-degree reducing elbow. And here is a 90-degree male threaded elbow, which features external threads on one end. And this is the 90-degree female elbow with internal threads.
15. Check this one out. It's a wall-plated female
elbow with a mounting bracket for easy installation. This is a 45-degree equal elbow. This is a 45-degree male threaded elbow. A 45 degrees female threaded elbow. Section 3. T crosses and Ys splitting the flow.
Now let's talk about branch lines.
This is the equal T and this is the reducing T, which features a smaller diameter.
21. Need a threaded branch.
This is a male threaded T which splits your line and gives you external threads. And this female threaded T gives you internal threads. Now hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tips like this one. For 4-way intersections, use a cross T. It connects 4 identical HDPE pipes in a perfect line angle. But also, there is also this one. This is called the reducing cross T. And this is the Y pattern T, also called a Y. Instead of a hash 90-degree, it directs the flow at a 45-degree angle. And this helps reduce friction. 26. And here is the dual reducing T, which features 2 distinct smaller branch sizes.